After having drafted the 355 main duct, let's draft the 250 duct that connects to it. Right-click and select from above. In order to precisely position the duct, use the Add option. It will allow you to specify the X and Y offsets. To draft the duct parallel to this wall, use the Locate in Relation to option. Simply click to indicate which side to offset and type the distance values. Right-click and select Branch Connection. Choose the 45 oriented underside connection. Then select the line to connect to. The connection will follow the duct's orientation angle. Let's now position the brake using the local command, that is to say the toolbar command. Select the duct on which to insert the level breakage. In our example, the angle is of 45 degrees and the distance between the levels is of 1 meter. Be careful to apply the right units. Simply click to indicate the highest level and position the brake.